Canva shadows just don't look right? Here's a game-changing Photoshop trick you need to see. If you've ever tried adding shadows in Canva, you know it can be a struggle. The built-in shadow effects don't always look natural, especially when working with mockups. But here's a simple way to create a realistic drop shadow using Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and create a shape using the Shape tool. It can be a rectangle, a circle, or any shape you like. Just make sure to use a shape layer because other tools won't work for this technique. Now duplicate the shape by pressing Ctrl-J. This will give us 2 layers to work with. Next, let's bring in an image. Simply import your picture and place it on top of the highest shape layer. Now, to clip the image inside the shape, right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. And just like that, the image is perfectly framed. Now for the magic, creating a realistic shadow. Select the bottom shape layer, then right-click Blending Options, and go to Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings to your liking. Play around with the opacity, angle, distance, and blur until it looks smooth and natural. This is what makes the shadow really pop. Once you're happy with the look, we need to make sure the shadow stays in place. To do that, rasterize the bottom shape layer along with its shadow effect. Now save the file as a PSD. Here's where things get interesting. Let's take this file into Canva. When you import the PSD into Canva, the shadow remains intact. Now you have a fully editable mockup. Just double-click the frame, and you can swap or remove the image inside while keeping that perfect shadow. Since the file has multiple layers, you only need to keep the frame and the shadow layer. You can delete everything else if needed. And just like that, we've created a professional-looking drop shadow effect in Canva using Photoshop. This simple trick will make your designs look way more realistic without the limitations of Canva's built-in tools. If you found this helpful, hit like and follow for more pro-level tutorials. Thanks for watching.